In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to ungroup layers in Figma. If you've ever grouped elements to keep your canvas tidy, but now need to tweak or move individual pieces, ungrouping is the way to peel those layers apart again. Think of it as reversing a bundle, so each item becomes selectable on its own. This is handy when you want precise control, or when a group is getting in the way of editing a single shape, text layer, or icon. Start by selecting the group you want to break apart. You can do this directly on the canvas by clicking the grouped object, or by choosing it in the Layers panel on the left. In the Layers panel, groups are typically shown as a parent layer that contains the child layers inside. If clicking once selects just a child element, try clicking again or use the Layers panel to make sure the entire group is highlighted. Once the group is selected, ungroup it using a shortcut or the context menu. On a Mac, press Shift plus Command plus G. There's also an alternative shortcut, Command plus Delete. On Windows, press Shift plus Control plus G or use Control plus Backspace. If you prefer the mouse, simply right-click the selected group and choose Ungroup. Any of these options will release the group and place the individual layers at the same hierarchy level where the group used to be. If nothing seems to change, check whether you're dealing with nested groups. Groups can contain other groups, so you might need to ungroup more than once to fully separate everything. Just repeat the same command until all elements are on their own. You can always undo if you go one step too far. The same approach also works with frames. Frames can act like containers similar to groups, and the ungroup shortcut is the same. When you ungroup a frame, its contents are moved out one level and the frame itself is removed. Keep in mind that if the frame had specific properties, like layout settings or constraints, those will no longer apply once it's ungrouped. A few quick tips as you work. Make sure you can see your Layers panel to confirm what's selected. If the ungroup option is grayed out, you may not have a group or frame selected. And remember that ungrouping is non-destructive. You're not deleting layers, just changing their structure. That's all there is to it. Select the group or frame, use the shortcut that matches your system, and repeat if needed for nested structures. With that, you'll move from bundled layers to individual control in seconds.